Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Shawn realistic dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Shawn realistic dildo itself. As you can see, it has a really impressive sized shaft and is therefore not recommended for beginners but more for advanced or expert users. It's made of a soft PVC material which is soft and smooth to the touch for a comfortable use. It also has a firm yet flexible shaft as well. It features a veiny shaft all the way around, which is textured for extra stimulation during use and has a large swollen head at the top just there as well. It features a strong suction cup, meaning you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. When using the Shawn realistic dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean it after every use. And for this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Shawn realistic dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.